Welcome back. Good evening, good evening. God bless you. Dijasha TV, shout out po. Shout out ta, mega love shout out. Thank you so much. Musta ta? God bless you. Thank you, thank you. Coffee with fruit punch is very good too. No, boo. I didn't try that one, boo. I'm good, thank you. Though I'm all the better for seeing you. Thank you so much, Simon. Thank you. Welcome back, Simon. Did you download your Telegram? If you download your Telegram, then you can send me email. You can share your Telegram there. Everyone misses you a lot, you know. Raj tulong. Okay ta. Okay. Thank you ta. Thank you sa pagsulod dita. Jan Salgahet, sir. Welcome. Good morning. Ay. Sorry guys, I cannot read the comment if it's a little bit far on me. I'm getting old, guys. I cannot read a comment from far. Yes, we miss you so much, Simon. We miss you. Everyone misses you, Simon. Thank you so much for coming back. But anyway, I'm thankful that you're okay. Hello, Raj Tolong. Welcome back. Good morning, Raj. Thank you so much. Kumusta ta? I'm good. Thank you for asking. God bless you. To come on, but been falling asleep after work, lol. It's okay, Simon. Even me, you know, these days, I feel like my body is too tired, actually. So when I reach home, directly I get sleep. Ni hao mana. Ni hao. Thank you, thank you. Salamat ta. Salamat gid sa pagsulod dere. May message na kita. May message na kita, G-duplicate. Simon was Mia and everyone was asking about you and worried. Yes, Bo is right. Simon, everyone is asking how are you, where are you now, what happened to you, are you okay? That's correct, Bo. Ay wow, sana all. Sana all ka kabalo na mag ano na siya, Chinese or Korean? Nag-send lang po ako ng hello. No worries, Simon, no worries. You know, Arthur keep asking about you. Even John. Chinese. Okay. Okay ta. Ni hao. Hindi ko kabalo mag-Chinese. Thank you, Simon. And you know, I was even stalking your YouTube channel, Simon. I'm asking what happened to you, why you didn't came back. Are you okay? And then I told them also that you never upload new video with Winston. So everyone is really worried about you. No, Bo. For sure we will hear also the news. Hello, Dai. Hello, Dai Mylene. Welcome. Salamat sa patamsak. Please like and subscribe, guys, for those who are new. Thank you so much. God bless you. Ay, sana all busy. Okay lang, Dai. Sige, salamat, Dai. Salamat sa patambay. Tas, musta, Mylene? Dai, arada si Tata, Dai. Si Dijasha TV, si Tata na sa. NRV, welcome back. Thank you so much. God bless. Thank you.